आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is, there are two sets of parallel lines, their equation being x cos alpha y sin alpha is equals to p and x sin alpha minus y cos alpha is equals to p. For p is equals to 1, 2, 3 up till n and alpha belongs to the open interval 0, pi by 2. Now, if the number of rectangles formed by these two sets of lines is 225, then the value of n is equals. Now, we are given that there are two sets of parallel lines and the number of rectangles formed by these two sets of line is 225. Now, if this is the rectangle, then here we can see that in a rectangle there are two sets of parallel lines. One is AB and CD and another one is AD and BC, right? So, if for this line, we want two lines, right? To make a triangle, from one set of parallel lines, we need two lines, and from another set of parallel lines, we need two lines to form a rectangle. And P is from 1 to n. So, from here, out of n, we need two lines, and from here also out of n we need two lines. So this will be the number of rectangles we can draw, and we are given that this is 225. Now we know that NCR is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now if we apply this identity here, then this is n factorial 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial whole square, and this is equals to 225. Now if we further solve this, then this is n factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial, and this is under root 225. This is n factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. This is equals to 15. And this is n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial. This is equals to 15 into 2 factorial is 2. So this is 15 into 2. And this is this n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial, and this is equals to 30. Now this n minus 2 factorial will get cancelled with this, and this is n square minus n minus 30 is equals to 0. Now this is n square and minus n can be written as minus 6n plus 5n minus 30 is equals to 0. So if we take n common, then this is n minus 6, and if we take 5 common, then this is n minus 6 is equals to 0. So this is n minus 6 into n plus 5 is equals to 0. Now if we equate each term to 0, then this is n minus 6 is equals to 0 or n plus 5 is equals to 0. This implies n is equals to 6 or n is equals to minus 5. Now n was the number of the lines, right? That is how much we can take. So this cannot be negative. So the only value of n is 6. Now let's check out the options we are provided. Option C is given 6. So the value of n is 6, which is option C, which is the required answer for this question, and hence we are done. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।